Hello. Today we're going to just walk through a simple Python program that is going to calculate the batting averages of three baseball players, which are pretty famous baseball players, but Lou Gehrig, I never knew how to say his name, uh, legend Babe Ruth, and Ted Williams. Now let's start by looking at the dictionary. As we can see here, this dictionary holds each player's names as a key, and the value is another dictionary that stores two stats: the number of times a player was at bat, and how many hits they made during their career. For example, let's just look at him first. He had 8,061 at bats and 2,721 hits. Next, we will define our main function, and this is going to be just the main section. It's the part that does the work, and the first thing we do is we print a little title which is batting average, followed by a divider line for clarity, as you can see right there, to organize our thing to make it look good. Then we use a for loop to get through each player in the top hitters dictionary. This loop gives us both the player's name and their stats. Inside the loop, we grab the the number of hits at bats for the players and store them in variables named hits and at bats, to separate them and see what we're looking for. Now we calculate the batting average, and a batting average is just the number of hits divided by the number of at bats. We store the results in a variable called the average, and finally we print out the player's name along with the batting average, format it to 3 decimal places. So if a player gets 0.3441, we'll see it as 0.344. At the end of the file, we have a special line, which is if underscore name underscore equal quotation underscore main underscore quotation finished. This just tells Python to run the main function when the file is executed directly. It's really used in Python, so it's really good for organization. And yep, that's it. And then we could run it. See that we get our averages. Nice little organization. I didn't really have to do this part. I like it though because it makes it look nice and cool and fancy. But yeah, pretty simple program, and thank you for listening.